What's the laziest way to make money with AI in 2025? You don't need skills, no money, not even a face on camera. I'll show you 5 low-effort ways to make money with AI even if you are starting from zero. Number 5. AI thumbnail designators. Midjourney, Canva AI, Photoshop sell to YouTubers who need thumbnails that get clicks. Potential, 54 a day. Tip: analyze viral thumbnails and create a portfolio. Number 4. AI blog writer, SEO blogger tools. ChatGPT, Rank.ai, Laziest create blog content for businesses or affiliate sites. Potential, 100,500 day tip, turn podcasts into blog posts for clients. Number 3. Faceless YouTube channel tools. ChatGPT scripts, 11labs voice, CapCut or in video editing. Number 1. AI automation agency tools. Zapier, Make.com, ChatGPT for scripting automate workflows for small businesses. Potential, 200,250 day. Tip: start free to build portfolio, then upsell clients. Don't waste 2025 watching others win. AI is your shortcut to online income even if you're lazy. Hit subscribe now and I'll help you turn one idea into real money. Let's build smarter, not harder.